Cyber attacks happen every single day. Hackers attempt to break into systems, steal sensitive data, and disrupt businesses. Modern organizations rely on complex digital systems, including servers, databases, and applications. Because these systems are constantly connected to networks and the internet, they face continuous cyber risk. This is why cybersecurity teams must actively defend these systems. So, if hackers are constantly trying to break into systems, who actually stops them? That's the job of defensive security. Teams that monitor systems, detect attacks, and respond before serious damage happens. Inside most organizations, cybersecurity is coordinated by security leadership. The Chief Information Security Officer, or CISO, oversees the overall security strategy. Cybersecurity teams are typically organized into three main areas. Offensive security focuses on finding weaknesses before attackers do. Defensive security focuses on protecting systems and stopping attacks. Governance, risk, and compliance ensure security policies and standards are followed. Defensive security focuses on protecting systems and responding quickly when threats appear. Security teams build monitoring systems designed to detect suspicious activity across the network. When threats are detected, security teams investigate alerts and take action to contain the attack. The goal is to stop attackers before they cause serious damage. The first step in defensive security is monitoring. Organizations collect security logs from servers, applications, databases, and network devices. These logs are sent to monitoring platforms such as SIEM systems, where large volumes of activity can be analyzed. Security analysts working in the Security Operations Center, the SOC, continuously review this information looking for unusual behavior. When suspicious activity appears, security monitoring systems generate alerts. These alerts may indicate malware infections, unauthorized access, or abnormal network activity. SOC analysts investigate these alerts to determine whether a real cyber attack is taking place. If malicious activity is confirmed, the incident response process begins. Incident response teams move quickly to contain the attack. They may isolate compromised systems, block malicious users, or restrict network access. By containing the threat quickly, security teams prevent attackers from spreading further across the organization. Once the attack has been contained, the work is not finished. Security teams must understand how the attack happened and fix the vulnerability that allowed it. This stage is called remediation. Security teams report the vulnerability, and engineering or IT operations teams apply fixes such as installing security patches, updating configurations, or strengthening security controls. Remediation ensures attackers cannot exploit the same weakness again. After vulnerabilities are fixed and systems are secured, defensive security continues monitoring the environment. Even if attackers attempt new techniques, layers of monitoring, detection, and response help protect the organization. Defensive security limits damage, protects systems, and keeps critical infrastructure secure. Defensive security is one of the three core pillars of cybersecurity. Offensive security finds weaknesses before attackers do. Defensive security detects and stops attacks. Governance, risk, and compliance guide how organizations manage cybersecurity strategy. Together, these teams work to protect modern digital systems. Subscribe to CyberMigos to learn how cybersecurity really works.